Nothing like the smell of fresh grass. This like how Stu did a good job here. We used to take some guys to mow our lawn that would cut grass for cows in the neighborhood, but Stu like the way he cuts it flat, and it's good to save money when you can. But kind of happy that these trees came back to life. I'm gonna import the medicine to help them get back to health again, but these trees kind of have emotional value and a story for us. Like they're soursop trees, and they were made from the seeds of an order that our company got. So Stu said he's gonna do the front another time because he's not satisfied with how flat the grass is. Yes, I like it. So this is what I'm most excited for. We're gonna finally stick the tape. I use that to add the glue. You guys don't mind this. This was already like this when we ran. One by one, we're pulling the place together. Oh, you're too late. Huh? I've been waiting for this moment. Y'all gonna see one by one. I'm gonna fix this entire place up and transform it. Yeah. The packaging said that the tape was sturdy, durable, long lasting, but still got some reinforcement for it just in case. I just hope it comes out like it did in the picture. Down anymore to go. We discovered one tape can only do 3 steps, so now I know how many tapes more left. It's darker to find out if it works. Look at that. Worms, there's a lot of them here. I used to dig out these as a kid so that we could go fishing, but now I know that if I want to go fishing, I can find them in the front yard.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you.